Hello, my friends. Today I want to show you something very special from Brazil. Take a look at this collar. Would you believe it was made from simple fabric circles? Most people don't. It has texture, it has volume, it looks almost sculptural, and yet it all begins with one of the simplest sewing techniques I know. Here in Brazil, we call fuxico. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to make it. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Maria Antônia. I'm from Brazil. My English isn't very good yet. I'm learning, so be patient with me, please. On this channel, we explore creative sewing, patchwork, quilting, and beautiful ways to transform even the smallest fabric scraps into something special. I believe every little piece of fabric has potential. Sometimes all it takes is a little creativity. The technique I'm showing you today has been part of Brazilian sewing traditions for many generations. Originally, it was a wonderful way to give leftover fabric a new life. Over the years, people have used fuxico in quilts, pillows, bags, clothing, and many other beautiful handmade projects. Today, I want to share this tradition with you. Let's begin. To make your fuxico, start by cutting a fabric circle. A good rule of thumb is to cut the circle about twice the size you want your finished fuxico to be. Now, thread your needle. I like to use double strand of thread because it makes the stitch stronger and the finished piece more durable. Using a simple running stick, sew all the way around the edge of the circle, like this. If you are working with a fabric that frays easily, simple fold the edge under a, a little as you stick. This creates a thin hem while you're sewing. One of my favorite things about fuxico is that it doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry if your stitches aren't all exactly the same size. The beauty of this technique comes from its handmade character. Once you've stitched, once you've stitched all the way around the circle, gently pull the thread. Watch how the fabric begins to gather. Keep pulling until the opening closes completely. Now, tie a second knot so everything stays firmly in place. And that is it. Your first fuxico is finished. Is it amazing? Just one simple circle of fabric, and already you have something full of texture and possibilities. Now imagine dozens of them working together. They can become quilts, bags, wall art, home decor, and something even more surprising. Let me show you this beautiful collar around my neck. Was made entirely from fuxicos. When people first see it, they usually have no idea how it was made. That's what makes this technique so much fun. It transforms something incredible simple into something completely unexpected. In my next video, I will show you exactly how I designed and assembled this collar. We will talk about fabric choices, how I arranged the fuxicos, how I created the volume, and how everything comes together to create this unique accessory. I think you are going to love it. Thank you so much for sewing with me today. I hope this beautiful Brazilian tradition inspires you to look at your fabric scraps in a whole new way. Because sometimes the most beautiful creations begin with the simple circles of fabric. I will see you in the next video. Bye.